ChatGPT update. How is GPT-4 different from GPT 3.5? ChatGPT-4 is most advanced, latest, and powerful system from OpenAI. GPT-4 has advanced significantly in terms of creativity and collaboration compared to its previous versions. It is capable of generating, editing, and working alongside users on various creative and technical writing projects, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or adapting to a user's writing style. We will evaluate and contrast the capabilities, performance, and potential applications of the ChatGPT 3.5 and GPT-4 algorithms. This will provide you with a better understanding of the differences between them. GPT-3 is a third generation of the Generative Pre-trained Transformer GPT series. It currently holds the record for the largest AI model with 175 billion parameters. GPT-3 is capable of performing a wide variety of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, summarization, and question answering with little fine-tuning required. GPT-4 is the upcoming fourth generation of the GPT series, and it is still under development. It is expected to be even more powerful than its predecessor with 1,000 billion parameters. GPT-4 is anticipated to be able to perform more complex tasks than GPT-3, such as writing essays, articles, and even creating art and music. During the OpenAI Developer Live Stream event, the team presented various demonstrations of their AI capabilities. One example available on their website involved challenging the AI to explain a joke based on an image. The image in squirrel holding a camera and taking photo of a nut. Despite the difficulty of the task, GPT-4 accurately identified all the components in the image and provided contextual explanation for the joke. This demonstrates the rare ability of AI advanced image-to-text processing technology, which is impressive. The second demonstration by OpenAI showcased their impressive technology. They presented a scenario where you can draw a website design on a piece of cloth or paper, take a photo of it, and send it to GPT-4. Within a mere 10 to 20 seconds, GPT-4 was able to generate all the required HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code to create a functional website. In this instance, a website for a joke. The resulting code was then copied and pasted into an editor, resulting in a fully functional website. GPT-4 has also presented some of the companies that have already partnered with them to use their technology. These companies have integrated GPT-4 into their services, and one such example is Khan Academy, Duolingo, Stripe, and Microsoft's Bing. They have successfully integrated GPT-4 into their product. To understand the difference between the GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 models, they tested a variety of benchmarks, including simulating exams that were originally designed for humans. GPT models proceeded by using the most recent publicly available tests, in the case of the Olympiads and AP free response questions, or by purchasing 2022 to 2023 editions of practice exams. They did no specific training for these exams. In addition to testing the capabilities of GPT-4 on text data, they have also tested it on a large number of images. The second image in the series shows a package for a lightning cable with iPhone charger. Panel 1, a smartphone with a VGA connector, a large, blue, 15-pin connector typically used for computer monitors, plugged into its charging port. GPT-4 replied, "The humor in this image comes from the absurdity of plugging a large, outdated VGA connector into a small, modern smartphone charging port." For the next example, a chart is provided showing the daily meat consumption of Finland, Georgia, and Western Asia in 1997. The task is to ask GPT-4 to calculate the total of the average daily meat consumption for Georgia and Western Asia. GPT-4 replied, "The sum of average daily meat consumption for Georgia and Western Asia is 149.46 grams per person per day." The next example features a picture of a man ironing clothes on a road with a car behind him. The question posed to GPT-4 is, what is unusual about this image? GPT-4 replied, "The unusual thing about this image is that a man is ironing clothes on an ironing board attached to the roof of a moving taxi." Thank you. Subscribe us. Tech Squadron.